tender chicken breast, sweet, good looking, and light brown. Yes, this chicken breast is tender, it's easy to make, it's healthy, and it's good looking. So if you're ready to make this chicken breast and you don't know how to make it, come let me show you how you can make chicken breast like this. So today we are making chicken breast with red bell pepper and onions, garnished with some spinach. So let's go. So making this chicken breast is not hard and it's not difficult. It doesn't take time at all. You start by cutting the meat. Yes, you slice this meat nicely. Make sure it's nicely sliced. Don't slice it too deep, just like I'm doing in this video.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafiya. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
Take your time and cut the meat very nice and slice and lightweight. Yeah.
Wait, Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafiya. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafiya. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafiya. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
So set the meat aside after cutting it. Get yourself 2 toasted bread. Yeah, this bread is toasted till it's brown. When I say brown, I mean deep brown. So this toast bread, we're going to be using it to make this chicken breast. Yeah, you had me right. We'll be using it for this chicken breast. So put the toast bread in your blending cup and begin to blend it. Blend it thoroughly until it's very soft.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Juliana recipe.
Put your pepper in, put your seasoning, your salt in, blend it till soft, then pour it in a bowl.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana recipe delicious.
Marinate the meat very well with this blended mixture of toasted bread, pepper, and seasoning. Make sure it's well marinated.
And healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
So guys, if you've watched up until this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I want you to hit the subscription button. I also want you to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you receive notification about my video. I want you to give this video a thumbs up. I want you to share this video and save it somewhere for later because you definitely need it. So we need eggs, For this recipe here, I crack the egg in a bowl and I'm whisking the egg. Whisk this egg properly and begin to dip this meat in the egg. Make sure every part of the meat gets this egg mixture.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy
Mix it nicely.
de lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana.
After mixing it, make sure to sprinkle the remaining blended bread and seasoning all over the meat. Every part of the meat, make sure is being covered by this blended seasoning. Then put oil in a frying pan. Allow the oil to heat up in a low to medium to low heat.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy de lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy de lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana.
So put it in a plate. Make sure it's fried properly. Both sides are light brown. And then put it in a plate and set it aside. You repeat the same process for all of the meat.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy de lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there,
See how beautiful this looks. It's looking light brown, well fried, looking crispy, and it's looking good. So keep frying the meat till you finish frying all of your meats. This is what we've got so far. And guys, this looks good. So slice your red bell pepper, half red bell pepper. And also slice your white onion. Garnish this chicken with it. See how this is looking delicious already? Guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit the notification button. Remember to comment love this recipe, and I'll make more of this recipe for you. So guys, bye, love you, ciao.